front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can find all your downloads. First of all, you need to find My Files app that's already on your Samsung. This one. Launch it. Hit allow if you never used it before. And then select Downloads category, this one, right under Videos. As you can see, all of my downloaded files are here. Now, to open one, click on it. To manage one, use all of those options at the bottom, or hold it and use all of those. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!